Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from
Waalaikumsalam.
grade 6, and in this video we are going to present the material about humor. There are 5 points that we will discuss in this material. The first is definition of humor. The second is history of humor. The third is function of humor. The fourth is kind of humor. And the last is example of humor. And before begin, let me introduce my member group. My name is Daniel Itu as moderator, Firman Salimin as the first speaker, Jurana as the second speaker, Nuranisa as the third speaker, Kansa Faiz as the fourth speaker, Sriastuti as the fifth speaker, and the last, Muhammad Edi. Let's start with the first speaker. Firman Salimin, may you begin.
Okay, so the first explanation is about definition of humor. Humor is the tendency of experiences to provoke laughter and provide amusement. The term derives from the humoral medicine of the ancient Greeks, which taught that the balance of fluids in the human body, known as humors, controlled human health and emotion. People of all age and culture respond to humor. Most people are able to experience humor, be amused, smile or laugh at something funny, such as a pun or joke, and thus are considered to have a sense of humor. The hypothetical person lacking a sense of humor would likely find the behavior inducing it to be inexplicable, strange, or even irrational. Thus, ultimately decided by personal taste. The extent to which a person finds something humorous depends on a host of variables, including geographical location, culture, maturity, level of education, intelligence, and context. For example, uh, young children may prefer slapstick, such as Punch and Judy puppet shows are the Tom and Jerry cartoons, whose physical nature makes it accessible to them. By contrast, more sophisticated forms of humor such as satire require an understanding of its social meaning and context and thus tend to appeal to a more mature audience.
Okay, let's move to the next speaker. Jurana, may you begin.
Okay, here I want to explain about the story of humor. So humor may have existed since Homer knew language or even older. Humor as a source of joy perhaps become one with human weakness. Humor comes from the Latin word humor, means liquid. In science 400 become century, people accent Greek assume that atmosphere in human atmosphere at the human heart is determined by four kinds fluid in the body, namely both liquid, yellow bile, and black bile. So they are defined that both as mood of glee, liquid as mood of calm and cool, and yellow bile as mood of angers, and black bile as mood of sad. So the development humor in England already signs in 16th century. At the time, there were writers and humorists often called theater performers, comedy performers. The famous comedian, namely Ben Jonson, whose work in entitled "Man Out of His Humor," and in the 17th century was an area which is very rapid for the development of law in England, especially in terms of theater comedy and humorous script. Comedy theater firmly became the traditional of the next period. In the middle of 18th century, humor theater metamorphosed into satire. To late 18th century, a tribute from of theater into fashion throughout mainland Europe. In the 19th century, humor in Europa was the safe new form in comic form. The century characterized by the emergence of various kinds of humor comic from German. That is then become a favorite in Europe and even to mainland America and Asia. So that's all for me. I give to the moderator.
Okay, let's move to the third speaker, Nura Anissa Asara. May you begin.
Okay, I want to explain about the function of humor. According to Sujoko 1982, humor can function the first, carry out always and all adjectives of ideas or messages. The second, make people aware that they are not always right. The third, teach people to see problems from various angles. Fourth, entertaining. 5. Send thoughts. 6. Make people tolerate something. 7. Make people understand complicated questions. James Dhananjaya in Suhadi, 1989, says the following: the most prominent function of humor, namely as a means of channeling feelings that refresh a person. These feelings can be caused by various things, such as social injustice, political competition, economy, ethnicity or class, and restriction on freedom of movement, sex, or freedom of expression. When there is injustice, there is usually humor in the form of social protest or sexual restraints, usually provoking humor about sex. Some of the functions of humor that have been known to our society for a long time, among others, are the function of people wisdom and speech, which enable people to focus their attention for a long time. We can observe this function in wayang performance. Wherever the clan refers to refresh the atmosphere, friends of humor usually educate people. From this explanation, it can be explained that the channeling of attention through humor is very positive because it brings prosperity to the soul. If all the feelings of dissatisfaction and tension that are experienced are not channeled, it will bring disaster not only to those who harbored it, but also to other people or the surrounding community. Thank you. I think that's all for me.
Okay, let's move to the fourth speaker. Kansa Faiz, may you begin.
Okay, so I will explain the kinds of humor. According to Arwa Setiawan, types of humor can be distinguished according to the criteria for the form of expression. As a form of expression in our lives, humor is divided into three types. Namely, the first is personal humor, namely the tendency to laugh at ourselves. For example, when we see a tree that looks like a person defecating. Second, humor in relationships. For example, jokes between friends, cuteness tucked into a public speech or lecture. Third is humor in the arts or the art of humor. Humor in art is still divided into the following. First is behavioral humor, for example, comedy, humorous dance, and funny pantomime. Graphic humor, for example, cartoons, caricatures, funny photos and funny statues. Literary humor, for example, funny short stories, satirical essays, humorous poetry, and the like, etc., etc. If used is the purpose criterion in communication. In humor, there are three types of communication, namely, the first, the forwarder intended to be funny, and the recipient accepted it as a joke. Second, the presenter does not mean to be funny, but the recipient thinks it's funny. Third, the presenter means to be funny, but the recipient does not think it is funny. In communication, the success of a communicator in communicating is if the message he conveys is quickly accepted by the communicant in accordance with what the communicator means. The success of a humor actor when the humor stimulus he emits is received by the humor recipient as intended by the human actor. A humor stimulus is humor that expects a smile or laughter as an effect of the recipient of humor. By Wijayas, 1993. Jaya Suprana said that in the wrong situation, humor is not something funny. Even humor doesn't necessarily cause people to laugh. For example, sexual humor. For some Puritans, this type of humor is considered taboo and slovenly, so it is considered not funny and does not cause laughter. Humor becomes insolent when it comes to using people's physical condition as object. Good humor is humor that can bring or lead to good. The father of psychoanalysis, Sigmund Freud, chooses humor based on two variables, namely motivation, which is in the form of comics, is classified as an unmotivated joke because funny is only obtained from joking techniques, and humor that is classified as a motivational joke. The target group, which is used as a joke, humor consists of ethnic humor, sex humor, and political humor. Okay, I think that's all from me. I will give it back to the moderator.
Okay, let's move to the next speaker. Sri Astuti, may you begin?
Okay, I will explain about the example of humor. As you can see on the slide, this example about Tretan and Habib joking about swimming makes fasting cancelled. Then Tretan said that what if the pool is filled with balls? There's one with balls. Do you want to swim with balls? Which is a humor because apparently not all swimming pools are filled with water. Some of them are filled with balls that is usually for kids to play around. And also drinking is one of the things that make fasting cancelled. So they were talking about water in the pool while swimming might be one of the things too. Okay, I think that's all from me. So the next example.
Okay, let's move to the last speaker. Muhammad Edi, may you begin?
Okay, so now I'm here to explain about the examples of humor. Well, I have two examples. We have two examples of humor, and we take them from YouTube channel called Majelis Ilmu, which is an Indonesian YouTube channel. So the first example is the conversation between Tretan and Habib, and it goes like Tretan says, "Drinking isn't permissible; it's cancelled, so isn't eating. If he swims, is his fasting cancelled?" And Tretan says, "Water in the swimming pool." And Habib says, "Yeah, original water." And Tretan says, "There's one with balls. Do you want to swim with balls?" And Habib says, "Ha ha ha ha, no, usually like yesterday." gargling with Nutrisari. So Tretan says ha 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 ha, which is an expression of laughing. And Habib says I'll swim later, but in milk. So the extract above is about Tretan and Habib joking about swimming makes fasting cancel. Then Tretan said that what if the pool is filled with balls? He says, there's one with balls. Do you want to swim with balls? And which is a humor because apparently not all swimming pools are filled with water. Some of them are filled with balls that is usually for kids to play around. And also drinking is also one of the things that make fasting canceled. So they were talking about water in the pool while swimming might be one of the things too. And the second example is the conversation between Joki and Tretan. And it goes like, Joki says, it's alright if a wife makes meal for her husband. It's okay, but don't be naive by hoping that the meal will make her husband love her more. And Tretan says, except the meal is given cheap. And Joki says, ha 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 ha, or magic spells or something like that. So the extract above is about Joki talking about a wife making meal will make her husband love her more. And then Tretan didn't agree with that. So he joked that the meal can work only to make the wife's husband love more by giving the magic spells to it. As Chucky said, it's alright if a wife makes meal for her husband. It's okay, but don't be naive by hoping that the meal will make her husband love her more. And then Tretan responded, except the meal is given cheap. And those are the examples of humor. And I think that's all for me. And I'm giving it to the moderator. It's your time.
Okay, I think that's all for this presentation. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.